Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Logic of Everything. Today I will be discussing a very easy problem which is based on kinematics, 1D motion which requires you to know about acceleration, force due to gravity, displacement and the motion equations, kinematic equations. So first I'll take a question. A ball is thrown and caught by the thrower himself after 4 seconds. That gives me the information that the total time interval is 4 seconds. The gravitational acceleration is 10 meters per second square in the downward direction. The question is, how high does the ball go and with what velocity was it thrown? So I need to find S, given that this is S, the distance between the ball at the original position and at its highest point of journey. I have to find out the S and the initial velocity. Now the method which I first solved this sum was I used V is equal to U plus AT. So I know the for the upward motion, for the upward journey, I know that the velocity at this point will be equal to 0. So I know that v, which is equal to 0, is equal to u plus at. Now I know acceleration in the upward direction is opposing the acceleration of gravity, and hence the value of a here will be minus 10. U minus 10 times t. Hence, I get the equation u is equal to 10t. I substitute this value of u in the equation. S is equal to ut plus half at square, again only for the upward journey. Now, how will I get this? S is equal to u times t, which is, I considered this to be uh, uh, for the time being, let's consider this to be t plus half a t square. Now again a will be minus 10. So I know the value of u, which is equal to 10t. So I can write this as 10t 10t square minus 5t square, which is equal to 5t square. And hence I know the value which is equal to 5t square, and I used that the fact that motion is always symmetrical. So if the whole journey takes 4 seconds, journey in the upward direction will always take 2 seconds, and hence the value of t here only for the upward journey will be equal to 2, and hence t square is equal to 4, and hence the displacement is equal to 20 meters. Now I know that 2 times u is equal to 20 plus 20, which is equal to 40 meters per second, and hence u is equal to 20 meters per second. Now this was the longest method. When you are solving sums in exams, this will not help because this involves at least 3 steps, and this will take a minimum of 5 minutes, just like I did to explain you. So the shorter way of solving this sum is in one step. I have to find out the initial velocity, and I know the acceleration is 10 meters per second square. Now for the shorter method, I'm going to use the upward journey and the downward journey as one unit. So what will be the displacement? As the ball again comes to the original position, the displacement will be equal to 0. I know the total time of the journey, which is 4 seconds. This was already given. So now I can find out S is equal to ut. Now remember that I have taken acceleration negative, which means that any vector in the downward direction is negative and any vector in the upward direction will be positive. S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equal to 0, which is equal to u times 4 plus half t square. This is equal to 16. So 4u will be equal to 80, u will be equal to 20 meters per second. So this is the shortest method which you can do for this sum. This is only a one step method which is very efficient. Now here I have the sign of initial velocity to be 20 meters per second, and hence the initial velocity is in the upward direction. Now I can easily find out s using this initial velocity now. So this was just a one step sum to find the initial velocity, and this is the shorter method, this is the longer method. So if it's asked in any exam, you must know that you must solve this type of sum by this method. Thank you. I hope you did understand what I've taught in this video. If you like the video, press the like button, share and comment if you have any doubts. Thank you.